Hi everyone, this is Halsey from Retop LED. Retop established in 1997. We have 28 years experience in LED display markets. And we service many famous brands in the world. Here I would like to show you our HiPadII Series. This, this, in this show, we show the 1.25 screen. Also 27 inches cabinets, 600 millimeter by 337.5 millimeter, the cabinet size that is. It supports seamless splicing assembly. Supports 2K, 4K, 8K dot-to-dot display. And here you can see it's a high grayscale and the refresh rates and the lights 800 nits brightness and the slim. It's used GOB technology and you can touch it. It's smooth. And also, it supports HDR function, EMC Class A, and the wide viewing angle. You can check left and right side. That's 150 degree. Yeah, support that. And also, this cabinet supports door power supply, door receiving card, and single cable, power cable, or backup. Even one power cable, one single cable, one power supply, one receiving card damaged, then the other one still work. More information, welcome to visit our website www.𝐂𝐨𝐧𝐭𝐚𝐜𝐿.com. Thank you all.